The clinical benefits are, in my opinion, are that the patient is motivated to face the pathology because the technique is not invasive, it's not particularly invasive, but is efficacy, is useful. This is a clinical important advantage because you don't have to the patient's recoveries, you don't have the problem that the patient, the psychological problem that for a patient to stay in a hospital, and so the compliance for the treatment and to face the pathology is better than not in ordinary recovery. So for me this is a very important clinical benefit.